Yo. Give me that. Give me 2 dabs. Give me a high five. High. Hey guys, you are watching on my magical channel. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Yeah, let's get to it. Okay guys, the name for this experiment is lava lamps. And the materials you need is 2 containers. Then you need Alka-Seltzer. And then baby oil, water, and food coloring. Okay guys, now that we know we have all the materials we need, let's start with the first 2 steps. So we're gonna get a glass container and we're gonna pour 3/4 of it with baby oil. That's right, baby oil, not water that you would used to think it was, but nope. What the frick? Oh. Let's squeeze it. Sorry. This might take a while. Give it a break. Okay, I'll open it. Let me open my brother's. Here, I'll pour some. I don't actually think there's gonna be enough for him. Man, this is big. Whoa, that is close to 3/4. It's kind of in the middle of 3/4 and a half. I'm sorry, Cartier, we don't have enough. Unfortunately, guys, we didn't have enough baby oil, so we used vegetable oil for Cartiers. Whoa, look how yellow it is. The color yellow. But now the next step is to fill the rest of it with water. Yep, that's the second step. So, whoa, you see the bubbles? Wow. This is amazing. Okay, now time for Cartiers. Let's see. Here, I think this is going to be more interesting, so let's bring it up close. Whoa, you guys see that? Look at all those bubbles. Wow. They're exactly the same height. Wow, guys, check out. Which one? Leave down in the comments which one is cooler looking. Cartier's or mine? Right now, guys, we are giving you a close-up view on these 2 containers. But I'm going to talk about what each of them looks like, even though I think mine's is cooler, but I'm going to describe mine first, because I think mine is cooler. So, with mine, it looks like it's snowing. It looks like it's frozen snowing, like you know how you see snowflakes? It kind of looks like that, but they're frozen. And now with Cartier's, his looks like it's like it's raining and it's at the end of the world. I know. Okay, the next step of this experiment after we checked out these 2 containers is we're gonna add food coloring. I'm gonna give you a close-up view. Yep. I got red, he got blue. Yeah. That was hard. Alright, now I'm going to pour mine first, and then I'm going to pour Cartier's. Okay, guys. Bring up mine up close. Can you see it?
Open.
Whoa.
Open.
Do it in drops.
Open. Open.
Whoa. What? Okay, I got something to say after this.
Mom.
What?
Hold on. Go sit down. Mara's gonna help you.
Mom, go help me.
Yeah.
Mom.
Hold up.
Mom, go help her.
Yeah, I'm gonna help.
Okay.
Whoa, check that out, guys. That's supreme. Woo, woo, woo. What you gonna see? Whoa. Alright. That's it for mine. Mine is complete.
Open.
Alright,
Mom.
Cartier. Time for Cartiers, guys. Let's just leave it there to mix. Should I shake it up? Alright, Cartier. Alright, guys. Here, let me pour it.
No.
Bruh. Here, let me pour it.
Let him pour.
Okay, guys, we're gonna let Cartier pour it. Here, pour it right there. Here. No, come on. Scoot over. Scoot over. Yeah, there. Can the camera see? Okay, now pour it in. Yes. Good job, Cartier. Here, let me help you. I guess he doesn't.
Whoa.
Whoa, you see that, Cartier?
Now walking. Whoa, yeah.
Be careful. Here, let me help you. Here, there. Keep it right there.
Put it right. Let him hold it right.
Here. Look.
Fix your hands. Adjust your
here.
hands.
Here, look. Like, hold it like that. Like, yeah, like that. And then,
Oh, yeah, walking.
you see? Whoa, look at that, guys. Supreme. Let me, like, steady it. Shaking.
Oh.
Whoa. Hold up. Roll up your sleeves, Cartier. There.
Oh.
Whoa. Whoa.
Hey, see.
Whoa.
Whoa. 7.
Is that it, Cartier?
Whoa, see.
Okay. I
Whoa.
think that's it, Cartier. Here. There.
Huh.
Whoa. Look at how much food coloring. Cartier.
Wow.
Wow. Look at the bottom. It's like wow. It's still rolling? Wow.
Whoa, whoa.
Guys, I am having such a good time. If you are too, please like, subscribe, and comment. Comment who thinks looks cooler with the food coloring.
All right. That's it.
Alright, Cartier. That's it. Wow. Guys, I just have to describe this. See, if you look at Cartier's, it's like none of the blue is going to the top which is the vinegar is. Vegetable oil, I mean. So that's pretty cool. So it's like their little line of worlds. And then mine, it looks like if you shake it, it's like the baby oil. It's kind of like water floating on other water, which is crazy enough because I just poured water in it. And look, it's like at the bottom. It looks like it's I don't know. But yeah, that's cool, guys. And at the bottom of mine, it looks dark. It's like dark. So is Cartier's.
Yeah.
Next and final step of this experiment, guys, is to add the Alka-Seltzer. So, for this, you kind of have to be very careful. You can't let children under, I think, 10 years old, I mean, that's my suggestion, touch it. And you have to break it up when you put it in there. And you gotta put the cap on fast. So, here, can you hold this? So, now we are going to crush it real quick. Oops. We're going to crush it real quick. We crush this thing to tiny little pieces. And then we put it in there.
That's good.
Okay, guys. Oh, I'm nervous. Let me put this in this hand and then do the thing. Oh, guys, I'm nervous. 6. Okay. Hurry. Whoa. And just enjoy the show, guys.
Come here. Your mother.
It's here. Look.
Do this.
I'm gonna do this. Mom.
Just give him one little piece.
Here.
Hey.
Here. Boom. Hey, you ready? Okay. Drop it. 2 of them, guys. Look at that.
Whoa.
Lava volcano.
Volcano.
Whoa. Look at Cartier's, guys. It's like an ocean. It's like there's an ocean god, and the ocean god's making the water rise.
Nice.
That's cool.
Cool. The ocean. Ocean. Oh, the water guys.
Wow.
Whoa.
Check it out.
The lid on tight.
Yep. Why, it might burst any
Now
minute?
go. Just see what it does when you shake it up. No, not like that.
Oh.
Just, yeah.
Whoa. Here, let me do it.
Whoa.
Alright. Whoa.
Whoa.
Here, let me do mine one more time because I want it to look as cool as Cartier's. Whoa.
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 It's like an avalanche. I'm gonna shake it.
No, don't do that.
Look at it. It's cool though.
Want to try another Alka-Seltzer?
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, I do. Yes, we do.
Yeah, do.
Please like, guys. Can you please like this video? Please. And if you do, we'll put another Alka-Seltzer in there.
I guess that's your name.
So please subscribe
Okay.
and like.
I like it. Mom, that's all?
You can have one piece. Time to try
Mom.
some more Alka-Seltzer. Here, can you hold it real quick?
Be patient. Hold on. 1 second.
Okay.
Okay. Time to break it up into 4 pieces. Or 6, however many. There's 4. Okay. Let's put them all like. Okay, close. Uh-oh. Mine is erupting again. Let's do Cartier's.
Oops, sorry.
Here. Ready? Hold up. Don't put it in. Don't put it in. Wait till Mari's ready. Okay.
Oh.
Okay, you ready? Put it in. Erupt. Volcanoes. Erupt.
That one, it works better with vegetable oil, it seems like.
Spicy. Oil.
Whoa.
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 Oh.
Mom,
Whoa. I'm just joking, guys. Here, show them to the camera, Cartier. Put it right here. Whoa, look at mine. Whoa, it's a red tornado. See, I told you we should have shaken it up. Don't hit Mario with it. Did I break it?
I
I think I broke it. Okay, guys. Here's some exciting news for y'all. We have actually decided that we're gonna put 2 more in there, but without breaking them. See? 2 more. Now, let's open this
Open.
just like opening a new soda. And oh no! I'm sure it's fine. Whoa, guys, check it out. Mari's gonna help you. Here, Mari, help. Mari's gonna help you. Mari's gonna help. Guys, take a load of that. Here, put them in. Put them in, put them in. Wow, guys, check it out. 2 of them. 2 mini volcanoes. See, Cartier?
Yeah.
It's cool?
It's cool.
Well, mine is blowing up.
It's leaking.
Wait, really? What? I'm going all the way.
You're getting it all over my floor. It wasn't leaking that much.
It was leaking.
Oh.
I didn't close it tight enough.
There you go.
Why'd you open it? Why'd you open that? Yeah, I want to get a video of this. Huh? Why'd you open it? No what? Why you open that? You made a mess. No what? You sorry? It's okay. You're not sorry? Oh. You gonna clean it up? Here, clean it up. Thank you. Thank you, Cartier.
Whew, that was messy. But I just want to make a notice right now. A few notices, actually. So, I noticed that vegetable oil works better than baby oil. So, that's a good notice. And also that the Alka-Seltzer is the power of the lava. So, that's a good notice, too. And here's a third and final notice. This is the end of the video, so please like, subscribe, and comment. See you guys in the next experiment.